Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Come see the car for yourself.